focusing on iron-rich food is so critical. Hi, welcome to Zestopia with Abisoye. I'm launching a new series called Iron Foods, where I will be sharing recipes and tips to help you meet your daily iron needs, boost your energy, and improve your overall health. When we think about nutrition, we often focus on protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, but we tend to overlook iron. Iron is actually very critical for energy and vitality. Iron deficiency anemia, for example, can and do occur. It is when our body doesn't have enough iron to produce healthy red blood cells. Red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout our body. This deficiency can lead to symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, and weakness, shortness of breath, and even systemic issues. I recently experienced iron deficiency anemia where my iron levels were critically low. I experienced tiredness and low energy, and I had to undergo iron infusions to get back on track. Since then, I have realized how important iron is, especially for women. We need to replace the iron we lose every month due to menstruation. This monthly blood loss can significantly impact our iron levels, and we need to be intentional about replenishing it. That's why focusing on iron-rich food is so critical. It's not about boosting energy. It's also about supporting our body's natural cycles and maintaining overall health. In this series, I will show you why iron is so important and how to prevent iron deficiency anemia. Meat provides heme iron. It is the best source of iron. Heme iron, which our body absorbs more easily, is the key component of hemoglobin. On the other hand, plant-based foods such as spinach, lentil, beans, and so on contains non-heme iron, which isn't as easily absorbed by our body, but it is still beneficial. Throughout this series, I will show you how to get the most out of both the heme and the non-heme iron sources. We will discuss mistakes that can block iron absorption in our body. I will also share tips on maximizing iron uptake by pairing iron-rich food with specific vitamins to boost their absorption. Women 19 to 50 needs about 18 milligrams of iron each day, while men and postmenopausal women need about 8 milligrams of iron every day. So understanding these numbers and the signs of a deficiency is very crucial. That is why it is also very crucial to naturally include iron-rich food in your daily meals. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up. Also, share this series with anyone who may benefit from it. I'm excited to show you how to boost your iron levels with delicious recipes. Let's get started.